All right, how's everyone doing? So, a while back, I told everyone that I was going to start documenting my CCNA journey more, and this is my effort to do so. I got this cool pin, and I am terrible at using it, so you're going to have to bear with me. But this first video is just going to be about my CCNA home lab that I am setting up. So, I recently purchased a few switches off of Facebook Marketplace. Uh, I'm a little sketched out about that, but I just took a chance and did it. And luckily, there was a gentleman that was nice enough to, uh, part ways with his CCNA home lab kit. Um, so basically, I got two layer 3 switches, the 3560s, and then I have two layer 2 switches, which was the 2960s. Um, and I'm just gonna make do with this equipment that I got here. So what we're gonna do right now is just a baseline configuration, and then we're gonna build from that. I mean, I don't even know if you want to call this baseline configuration. You call it baseline. Oh no, not the clicker. Yeah. So let's get started. Let me put my name. Cool. All right. So I got a little snippet of the packet tracer guy right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a company, fake company basically. We're gonna call this company Summit Ridge. Summit Ridge Construction. All right, Summit Ridge Construction is a drywall company that had 10 employees. They were a mom and pop shop forever, but now they sold themselves. You know, those baby boomers. Now they sold their company. Now they got the young guns in, and he wants to expand now. So they're gonna go from 10 to 20 to 30 to 100. You know, they're expanding rapidly, and their goal is they're shooting for the moon, shooting for the stars. Now, in order to do this, they don't have the IT, they don't have the technical infrastructure there. So they need to hire an IT company, and that is where we are coming in. We're gonna come in and help them because right now they're off their Soho router. You know, they're just like the internet you have at your house. They don't know what they're doing, and they're not gonna survive unless we save them, and that's why we are here. All right, like the Chick-fil-A of IT services. And here we go. So what we have right here is going to be the core switch. Then from the core switch, we're going to have two access switches. It's going to hold the office department and field off. So this is going to be all the field employees, and this is going to be like Karen, Tina, and Sabrina. All right, and then we're going to have the service switch. This is going to be like the management switch. We're going to have the printers, servers, stuff like that. Later on down the road, we're going to get more deeper into it, where we're doing VLANs, configuring STP, root guard, loop guard, and seeing how all that stuff works. But for now, this is what we got. We're gonna do something very simple and very easy. This will take you like 1 minute actually after you actually learn it. So this is our task for today, and what we are going to do, and what we are going to walk through on each switch. What we're going to do first is we will set the host name of the switch. We want to make sure that we keep, what am I doing? We want to make sure that we keep the naming, the nomenclature, we want it uniform. So if we have switch 1 core, we want to make sure that the access switch is all caps as well, and not something like, lowercase. It just keep uniformity. It's a good habit to have, and if not, it drives me insane. After that, we're also going to enable secret. All right. After we enable secret, we'll go ahead and set up an MOTD banner, basically saying "Get out of here if you do not belong." And then we'll do service password encryption. If you don't know my abbreviation, sorry. We'll set up secure console access, as well as the virtual terminal access. And we will save the config, and then we will verify it. Is that it? Yeah. Speaking of saving the config, one thing that will really help you out that I have learned is to, remember this command, because there has been several times so far that I have set up a lot of configs and just completely lost it all in Packet Tracer. So this will help out. But I guess better in Packet Tracer than in the real world, right? All right, so that's it. Let's get to it. I guess I'll go ahead and walk through it on Packet Tracer as well, and then I don't know. Maybe I'll show you on the physical switches. I don't really know how that works. I'm not video inclined, so. But maybe I'll learn. We'll see. Let's go. All right, let's get these switches configured with our baseline configuration. Let's see. No. All right, so first we're gonna go to enable mode, then we're gonna go to global config mode, and then after that we're gonna set the host name. We said the host name was gonna be Summit Ridge Construction. We'll do core switch 1. Boom, got that done. Enable secret password. Oh, it's enable secret, lab secret 1 2 3. Boom. Alrighty, then we're going to set up a banner. Is that how you spell banner? Yep. MOTD. What's this? We'll say authorized. Actually, I want caps. Authorized access only. Alright, then we're going to do service password encryption. Service password encryption. Boom. I think we did. What's the next step after service password encryption? Oh, okay. So line console 0. Line console 0. I did O instead of 0. Okay, so we're gonna do password, and we're gonna set a password. Let's just do the same passwords because that's super secure. All right, login. You have to do login, or it's not gonna require it. After login, let's do exit. Boom. Then we're gonna do line VTY. This is the virtual terminal. We're gonna do 0 and 4 because packet tracer is weird. Password. Set the password. All right, boom, same thing. Login, bam, exit, boom. All right, we got that, and now we're in. All right, and then we'll write to memory. It is written. Alrighty, and then we're good. We're set on that. Now we're gonna go to the next one. What's the next one I got? I got office switch. Okay, so let's go into the office switch. Config, and this is, the same thing. Maybe I'll speed this up if I know how to. See, we have the host name for this as source office switch 1. Bam. All right, after that we have enable secret, the same thing. Look, enable secret 1 2 3. Bam. All right, got that. Banner MOTD. Authorized access only. Then we'll do service password encryption. All right, what was that? The service password encryption. Got that. Line console 0 password. Set the password. Login and exit. Line VTY. Password. Login. Exit. And right. Good. All right. Now we're the same thing. Switch 1 for the field ops. You see how it gets a lot faster once you figure out what you're doing. Host names. Field ops. What was the field ops? Oh, just field ops. Do field ops. Switch 1. Host name. Enable secret. Banner. Service password encryption. got that. Let's do line console 0. Set the password. No, ideally it wouldn't be the same password, but it's just the lab, so that's what we're doing. I'm sure someone's gonna be like, well, it's the lab, it should be the real one, but whatever. What did I do? What did I do? What did I password? Grid 1, 2, 3. Bam. Exit. Ah, man, don't do that. Don't mess up like that. Why did what? Oh, but we did write it to memory, so we're good. All right, let's do this. I've done that like 100 times already. I don't know why I don't disable DNS. Okay, let's go to CompT. Bam. Alrighty. I gotta remember I'm on camera. Don't do nothing weird. Hostname. Services. Switch 1. Bam. Enable secret. Banner. Alrighty. Surface. Encryption. Consoles here. Password. All right, let's not make the same mistake that we just did. Let's write it. Boom. Okay, we read it. All right. Do not type end. We're good. We don't have to type end. We're good. All right, that's it. That's the baseline configuration. So what we did here, let's go back to my fancy whiteboard, is did we set the host name? Yep, we did. Did we enable secret? Yeah, we did. Did we banner? Yep. Service password encryption. We secured the console, secured the virtual terminal. We saved it, and we did not verify it, but verify it. So let's do it. Show running config. All right. So here we go. Let's see. What do we have here? You have the host name. We have Summit Ridge Construction Services Switch. We have the enable secret and type 5 encryption right here. Yeah, you can just steal this hash, but it's a little bit better than, not having it. All right. Yeah, and then we'll get into all this later, all these VLANs, STPs, and stuff like that. It's going to get all fun. But right now, this is good practice, practice setting up the host name, enabling secret, service password encryption, setting up a banner, securing console access, and securing the virtual terminal access. That's like, baseline things that you can do. And yeah, and then we'll just go from there. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you found it useful, and I am excited to bring more to you. And then maybe one day I have the care enough to make the video higher quality and cool videos, lights, and aestheticness and stuff like that. But right now, you got the ramen noodle budget, so you can get the ramen noodle budget videos. All right. So hope you enjoyed. See ya. Till next time.